This is DJI Air 3, and today I'll show how you can check the FlySafe parameters and specifications, as well as check for FlySafe updates on this drone. In the beginning, launch the camera view of the DJI Fly app, then here tap at those three dots to launch settings, then select the About category. Here, scroll down, unfold the FlySafe data section if necessary, like that, and here you can check the versions as well as check for FlySafe updates. And if there will be the database update, you can install it by pressing the update button and update it from here. And well, as far as this video goes, that'll be it. So should you have any further questions, leave them in the comment section below. But as for now, thanks for watching and bye bye.